So before the break, you kind of alluded to this in that, yesterday was a Monday. We had the big storm to deal with. And I remember telling people yesterday that at least it was Monday. The hardest part of our week now hopefully is over, knock on wood, but do have another thing to worry about.
A little snow tomorrow. I think the best day of the week is still ahead of us. It'll be
That's good.
Saturday. I think will be, enjoyable to be out and about. Tonight going to be cold. The skies are clearing up. Behind that blizzard we had yesterday, that moved out overnight and again left us with a lot of sun today. Northwesterly breeze was up 20 to 30 miles per hour at times. That has since settled down. And again, radar's pretty clean. Temperatures will get into the lower teens and single digits for just about everybody tonight. This is the clipper that will eventually work toward us. We'll get into the cloud aspect of it first. The clouds do start to stream in pre-dawn Wednesday. The snow should hang back just a little bit from the clouds coming in, but it really starts, the snow will, around 7 or 8 in the western and southern parts of the state, and then gradually works through to the east, all of Maine. And, I do think several inches possible. I don't think this is going to come with a ton of wind, although we will have a southwesterly breeze, 10 to 15 at times, and that's easily enough to blow the snow around. But this offering doesn't look terribly impressive, and it's gone by around, 8, 9 o'clock in the evening as it exits to the east. We'll catch a little cold front behind that snow chance. So Thursday is still going to be cool. And a system will be tracking to the south of New England on Thursday, Friday. But interestingly, it was funny how this played out. As we were looking at the guidance and the modeling on it, like over the weekend, it looked like the system that we're looking at coming off the Carolinas was going to be more to the north. And we may had to been talking about another chance for snow on Friday. But as it stands now, this high that'll be over New York on Thursday will somewhat mimic that eastward movement of the low, and it'll push it to the south and kick it out into the Atlantic rather than coming our way. And then that high settles up and squares up really right over New England on Friday, which should make for a decent day of weather. And we're going to, again, get milder into the weekend with highs in the middle 40s in some areas. So tomorrow, 1 to 3 inches of snow for most of southern half of Maine. The mountains, the county, you get less, according to an inch. And there could be some of the modeling coming in suggesting that there could be some amplified little heavier bursts of snow along the mid-coast and down east. But I think if you're going to get more than 3 inches, it won't be by much, and it should be fairly isolated if that happens. This is how the snow exits tomorrow from west to east in the afternoon. Should be out of here completely by around 9. 2 to 4 foot seas tomorrow. Small craft advisory will be in effect for the entire day. Once 9 o'clock hits, that's when those kick in. So there will be a little bit of a southwesterly breeze out there. Mid-30s Thursday, Friday with a blend of sun and clouds. There's the pick of the weekend, maybe even the week. On Saturday, with highs in the middle 40s, a little chance for some light snow Sunday. That comes with another cold front and peep single digits into Monday and Tuesday mornings with highs in the middle to upper 20s. That's about 10 degrees below average for the time of year into early next week.
Just so sad. Just so
The
sad.
hits keep coming.